Hi, I'm David Straight with Weathermatic Tech Services, and today I wanted to share with you how to add a user to your site and its associated controllers. So first thing I'm going to do is get logged into SmartLink Network. Now my site list is opened up here, but there are too many to work with there, and we need to focus on the site we're adding the user to. So I'm going to type in my bench test here, Dagobah. When the name appears, I'm going to select that or click on it. Now when my site page opens, you'll notice the 7-day history and the 7-day forecast. And below that, the controllers associated with this location. At the top of the screen, you'll notice the big black banner here that says SmartLink by Weathermatic. And below that, we have several options here in this menu tab, and we want to select Admin. In the drop-down, we'll select Manage Site Users. Now when the site user screen opens, you'll notice the username, the email associated with that user, and their permissions. I'm the billing user, so mine are not visible, but you can see Mr. Matt Shreves here has the ability to view the controller, run the commands, edit the programs, and he's also a site administrator. Now off here to the right, you'll see the red Remove button. This allows you to edit the users that are associated with this site, and to remove them, you just simply select the Remove button. Would you like to remove Matt Shreves? Yes, I would. Okay. He's now gone. It's that simple. But back to adding users. So below the active users, you'll see the window for adding users, and you'll notice in parentheses that it says comma separated emails. Basically, if you've got multiple users that you're going to be adding, just simply place a comma between each email address. So let's go ahead and get Matt added back to my site here. There he is. Now, when you hover over each privilege, you'll get a pop-up giving you a brief description of that function. Run commands. Okay, run manual commands and global commands. Yes. Edit programs, edit site information, controller programming, and inspections. Yes. Site administration, manage the site users, delete controllers and the site if necessary, edit and remove activities. Yes, sir. And now we'll add the user. So now he's back up there on the screen, ready to rock and roll. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add a new user here. Let's go with Mr. Mark. Going to grant him the run commands and edit programs, and we'll add the user. Now you'll notice he is highlighted in yellow. It says an invitation has been sent to this email. So basically now at this point, SmartLink Network has generated an invitation to this user's email saying, hey, would you like to register because you've been invited to use this system? So at that time, they'll click on a link and be directed to enter some general information about themselves. And upon completion of that and submitting it to our network, a follow-up validation email will be generated shortly. Click on the link, and then basically the user will sign in with the email and password that they just created. So it's that easy. Managing users is a breeze. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us by email at support@weathermatic.com, or you can phone us at 888-484-3776. Thank you for using Weathermatic, and have an awesome day.